All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, object-oriented programming, reset and inherited constructor property. All right. So when an object inherits its prototype from another object, it also inherits the supertype's constructor property. All right. So right here, function bird like this, and then so we're basically creating like a bird constructor, and then it's going to have this bird prototype right here when we say object.createAnimal.prototype, like we learned in the other ones. And then when we say let duck equal new bird, when we do duck.constructor, it's going to do something different because we didn't reset something anyway. So, but duck in all instances of bird so far should show that they were constructed by bird and not animal. Okay, so when we say this, it's going to say animal and not bird because we didn't manually set the constructor property of bird to the bird object, like we're going to do here by saying bird.prototype.constructor now equals bird. So when we say duck.constructor, it's the bird constructor and not the animal constructor, right? So hopefully that makes sense. So now we're going to fix the code so duck.constructor and beagle.constructor return their respective constructors, right? So let's come down here, and right now let's do a console.log, and we'll say duck.constructor, all right? You see it says animal, because it's now using this animal constructor instead of the bird and dog one. And then right here we'll say beagle.constructor, beagle.constructor, all right? And it says animal also because we haven't changed them yet. So to change them, we're going to do this bird.prototype.constructor thing right up here. So we'll come up here and we'll say, bird.prototype.constructor now equals bird, all right? Not brid, bird, right? And so it's referring to this bird right here, all right? So now we're going to come down here and say dog.prototype.constructor, and we see right here it changed to bird as well, just to remind you, or to show you. Constructor now equals dog, all right? So it's referring to this, and you see down here it changed to dog. So before we did that, it was animal and animal, and now it's bird and dog, like that. So the constructors are pointing towards their actual constructors and not the grandpa constructors or whatever, the parent constructors and not the grandpa constructor. I guess that's what we say. So let's run the test. Looks good, and submit it. All right. Now we're on to add methods after inheritance, and we'll see you next time.